Hello everyone. Let's see. We have a nice little car here. This is called Mitsubitchi Delica 400. You all know this is four-wheel drive, and as you can see, the car is very massive. This car is basically made for family uses. Like if you are having more than 2 children, even though if you are not married, it doesn't matter. It's planned for your future. Now let us see the interior. See the interior. This has been highly modified. This whole thing's been played in satisfactory levelly. It has been designed. You can see the speaker here, the whole door interior. There is no problem in it. This is the switches that you can use for folding the glasses or folding the whole glasses of the whole car. And you can see the steering wheel, everything, dashboard. And there is the audio player. And there you can see that this is 1996 audio player. You can use it to sometime refresh yourself with the nice music. Now let's go again the other side. Let us see. The car has in the front, you can see there are big lights. These lights are flashy. They use it if you are on off drive or if you are in a place where the sunshine is down, or you are in the evening side or in the late night. You can drive quite smoothly because these big lights will help you. Even though sometimes you can go in the rocky side, like you are going in the trip. In the trip, you can use these lights also as a help. You see your car quite clearly as normal as like any other car. Now let us see again the interior. See the interior, the mirror, all are done. There is a sunroof over there. If you turn on the switch, it will open, and if you don't want to open it, you can close it. See, this one is working nicely. It is basically, you can use it in the summertime when you are not using, like in the midsummer, the winter is coming, at that time you can use it. Like you are not using the AC, that time you can open it. And there is also, you can use this one for those people like children's, when they get excited to see outside, they can also open it and also they can use it. Now let us see the inside interior. There are 4 seats. There are 4 seats. All these seats are big and spacious. These 4 seats, you can see 4 seats, but there you can get 5 people in the back side. It is not only end here. There is other 2 feet square spaces on the back side of the seats where you can put your shoppings. If you go in the shopping, you can fold these seats to go inside. You can fold this one also. You can fold this one and this one. You can make this one as a whole truck if you are changing your house or your home. See the lights, decor, these are nicely done. These are well done. And if you would like to enjoy a family trip or yourself a trip, this is the car that you want.